Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ABR Tech. Here in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you some jobs, online jobs that can help you skate through poverty. Alright, there are numerous online jobs you can do from home, from the comfort of your home, and keep making cool cash. Like you keep making this money and you'll be happy counting these dollars. Alright, there are numerous jobs you can do from the comfort of your home. You can use your phone. Everything that has internet can access this job platform. Okay, these are kind of jobs, online hustle that you can do from the comfort of your home with your smartphone as well. Alright, so please, in case you're new to the channel, like I always stress, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You click on the like button, then you subscribe. Please subscribe. You drop a comment in case you are confused in any part of this video. Okay, so please, like I said already, there is no limitation to what you can do on the online space. All right, so we have a lot of amazing videos here on how you can make money from affiliate, CPA, but here we are going we're going to be discussing something broad, something larger, something. We're going to expand on what we said already, but this time we're going to be mentioning about 5 to 6 online jobs you can do. If you're not suitable for one, if one is not suitable for you, then you can do the other. All right, if one is not okay for you, the other will work best for you, so long as you have your data, your phone is charged, even your laptop, everything that has access to the internet. You can be making money. You don't need to step out of your room. Even a stay-at-home mom can make money from this process, from this method, from this online hustle I'm going to be mentioning here. Okay, so just stick with us. Let's go. So here we have blogging, we have vlogging and YouTubing, sorry. We have affiliate marketing, Cpa marketing, online surveys, selling ebooks online, and we have freelancing job, crypto trading, and marketing consultants. Out of this, like if you're a blogger, as a blogger, you have an opportunity to so many things apart from publicity, getting popular, and all of those things. All right. So what you need to do on blogging is just to write content. When you write content, you just host your blog, you buy the domain, set it up with SSL certificates, then you start writing content. Start writing reasonable content, like push what people need to them. Alright, you're gonna be writing quality content that people need. And whenever you're writing this, do your search engine optimization well. Then start pushing traffic to your website. And when you push traffic to your website, the only thing you need to do is just to apply to Google AdSense, or maybe you can start marketing other products, even your service on that blog. There are numerous ways you can make money on blog, and in subsequent time I'm going to be breaking that down for us all to understand. Okay, in subsequent time I'll create a single video that will talk about blogging and how you can make money from it, over how many methods of making, over how many streams of income can be generated through your blogging. Okay, so the next on in line is vlogging. Okay, this is another part of blogging, but this has to do with video content. These are strictly video content. How you can make money. You can actually make money from YouTube, submitting videos, making videos, tutorials, solving problems, or maybe teaching what you know, whatsoever you know how to do. You can teach them on YouTube by recording a simple video. Do you know how to cook? You sell. Teach people how to plait hair. Teach people how to knit, how to create so many things, like even online tutorials. Teach them how about chemistry, about physics, business, some other things. So long as you are good at teaching, you can use YouTube and still make money. All right, it's part of the whole thing. Like I said, YouTubing and then blogging, these are more or less related, but blogging has to do with content writing. Okay, content writing, image, and we have infographic site as well. Like maybe you can be using You can be using some of this Pinterest. Pinterest is an infographic website where only graphics and text work. All right, like Facebook, that's mini blogging. Those are mini blogging platform, but like I just mentioned, vlogging and YouTubing has to do with recording of video content. All right, and in our past video, we talk about affiliate marketing. Okay, a lot of persons are making a whole lot of money from affiliate marketing. So the third thing here is affiliate marketing. Okay, and now affiliate marketing is just marketing people products, and when you market people product, they buy, and when they buy, you get commission. No stress, no risk. There is nothing. You don't have to put in your money. You can use free traffic to sell those products, and you get paid at the end of the day. All right, where they make purchases, like there are some people will make an order, they won't purchase immediately, but there are sites that store their cookies for 30 days. So if they were not able to buy that moment, all right, if they were not able to buy that moment, if before 30 days they can come back and buy, it will still be recorded in your name. Okay, it will still be recorded in your name, and you get paid for that sales you make. Okay, so you can use free or paid traffic. Now we talk about CPA marketing. This happens to be one of the simplest in this whole thing. CPA, you can just be promoting an offer to some specific region of the world, like CPA, cost per action. What is the action here, and what's the cost there? The cost now, like you promote an offer to an Americana, or maybe a Canadian, like you want email submission, and they submit their email, you may be paid $3 for that submission. And let's say up to 10 or 15 persons, let's say up to 10 persons submit their email, you get paid $30 automatically without doing anything. Is there any work there that you can't do? There's nothing too hard to do in that aspect. So it happens to be one of the easiest there. And the third one the fifth one here is selling of ebooks. Taking online surveys. All right, taking online surveys where you have to be answering questions on products made. Maybe some group of companies want to advance in their content creation, or maybe they are manufacturing, and they want to know what the audience think about them. Okay, or maybe some kind of people trying to market their product, or maybe their app. You download app, you play music, all of those things. These are surveys. It doesn't take you anything. Some are for fun, like you can be listening to music and you get paid for just listening to music. You can be watching videos, playing some simulation games online, and you get paid for it. These are surveys. All right, so now we jump from online surveys to selling of ebooks. All right, do you know that people sell ebooks online and get paid for it? These are some of these ebooks. You don't write them yourself. All right, there are free ebooks you can resell on Amazon Kindles. Okay, so in subsequent time I'll break this down now, how you can make money on Amazon Kindle store. All right, you can make money with your ebook of just these are soft copy of just 10 to 15 pages. It can be sold for $4, $5, or even $30 depending on the quality. All right, so imagine you're talking about cryptocurrency in your ebooks, or maybe something about cooking. These are some of the marketable niche there. All right, so that's just that for that. And we head over to freelancing. There are a lot of freelancers making an ends meet with just rendering services, attending to people's services, like writing, making video, creating banners, designing photos, all of those stuff. All right, doing voiceover. There are a lot of people making money from it. A whole lot of people making money from that. Okay, so yourself, you can be one. You can make money from Amazon Kindle, all of this stuff. You can make, like on Amazon Kindle, you might decide not to write on your own. You can be writing for someone. That's freelancing job. You can be writing for blog, creating videos for YouTubers. All right, and eye-catching YouTube, engaging videos, engaging content, all of those stuff. You can do it doing SEO services. All right, that's that for that. And you can become a crypto trader. trading cryptocurrency. That's the trend for now. You can be selling cryptocurrency and be making a whole lot of money with low capital. All right, so this is what you do. You buy your cryptocurrency when it's dipping, when the price is low. It's more or less like forex trading. Okay, it's more or less like forex trading. You buy when the price is low, when the price is high you sell and you make profit out of it. Then you monitor the market again. When the price is low, you still buy enough. When it go deeper, you buy enough again. When the price go high, then you sell. All right, you can be a marketing consultant here as well. Okay, a marketing consultant is someone that give people business ideas. All right, they decide on what you should do and what you shouldn't do based on their past experience, or maybe their level of expertise, the level of education they've acquired in that field of business. All right, so you can be a marketing consultant. People consult you and you get paid. There are people I know, whenever you want to consult them for anything marketing, an hour they charge over $1 million plus. All right, so that's just something you need to build yourself, build your own profile to an extent that companies, big firm will employ you or maybe seek your advice in that. All right, so please, in case you're new to the channel, like I always say, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's important to us. In case you don't know, it's important. Please don't forget to subscribe. All right, so that's the simple thing you need to do, like I said already. And in subsequent time, I'm going to be talking about this blogging. Okay, the blogging, talk about this whole thing. I'll break them down for you one by one. All right, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch out for our next video. All right, our next video is going to be a boom, like how you can make money using your smartphone only. All right, how you can make a whole lot of money online with your smartphone, only your smartphone. All right, and the video is going to be recorded on smartphone. All right, so that you can see the whole procedure, how we do it. All right, how we do it from stage 1 to the finals. All right, so please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get the latest info. Thank you.